Rest in peace, Grandmaster Rock Raider. Grandmaster Rock Raider. Jay Dilla, Batan. We miss you. Yo, writer's block, sick of gripping on his damn pencil, messing with this man's mental. I need to take a break. I got simple symptoms of a man gentle, stressing cause my fan miss you. I need to see your face on the Grand Central Navigation, telling me to drive slow, thinking about all the places I roam and people in my home. I wanna know why they come and go, why I'm getting all these thoughts, the piano and the drum evoke. I'm reminded of the first time we spoke, how you loved the first rhyme I wrote, except the curses, but you loved the jokes. How you told me nice I wasn't acting right, never letting me take some bad advice. We had a fight, but it's like your life was meant for you to be my mentor and my guardian. These feelings that I never wanna enter in my heart again are seeping in. I'm weak and I'm alive, but I'm cold. I imagine you're my passenger, reminisce on the road back in time. Now every day I'm asking why weren't you able to stay? Days are only kinda better, so I'm writing you this letter full of things I never got to say. First and foremost, I love you and it never changes. When you left I couldn't gauge it, the pain was outrageous, but now it's kinda strange. You helped me get through the days just by thinking of your face and reminiscing through the pages. Everything I wrote and that I'm saying on them stages, I'm passionate, I hear you laugh again. The little traces of your smile flicker through my closed eyes, wishing I could nosedive in your heart's ocean and just float by. Who knows why I feel the way that I do? I've got more to say, but I think that I'll just save it for you. For that first day we meet again, the stories will be told. We'll be driving through our lives and reminisce on the road.